Okay, so first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video, Devin. I spoke with you earlier today. My name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video was to show you how you can increase the value of your company and generate more exposure on Google. There are three main factors that come into play when building a website: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, many companies can build beautiful websites, but they'll fall short when it comes to content and SEO, and therefore reducing your exposure. So, a couple of basics to understand is every time you type something here into Google, those are considered keywords. Google uses those keywords to look for websites that best fit that search criteria. It's called search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords and then categorizes those websites based on their content. That's how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So typing this in here, we pulling up this page. Of course, we know this is the map section or the map pack. Ranking in the map pack is directly connected to your Google Business profile and your coverage area, along with citations. Anything, name, address, and phone number that mirror reflects your business profile. Directories like Yelp, Angie, Yellow Pages, BBB are some examples of citation directories. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure. Underneath the map is the organic rank and how companies and businesses get on the first page of Google. I'm going to explain that. Angie does not count. BBB does not count. Super pages, these don't count. These are not a organically ranked website of a business. So for example, we have right here at number 2, Lillington Home Depot, Butler Homes. I put him up here. I wanted to show you what's going on behind the scenes with him. I have a tool, it's called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs shows me what's going on within the website. Now, I did mention backlinks are an important ranking factor. That is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. You want well-valued endorsements and backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. You would not want a backlink from a Pizza Hut referring back to your business. It doesn't carry as much weight and strength as another renovation company that reflects back to you would, if you understand that. So it's important to make sure that you have strong backlinks with strong domain rank that carry a lot of traffic per month. So right here, I think for example, these are dead in the water to him, but you know, he's got others that are carrying them along. That's a good example. Another key factor that plays is content and keywords. So he's got 167 keywords. It's bringing him 63 views a month on traffic. Now, keywords, like I said before, whatever somebody's typing in for whatever service they want, Google is going through and finding websites that meet that criteria or that have the most referenced or endorsed citations or backlinks. These are the search volume per month that these particular keywords get searched. So aside from it being his name, remodeling a room, 30 renovating a room, 60 remodeling room, 400 custom butler's pantry, how to remodel a room, 60 the remodeling room, 100 I think you get the understanding of how this works. Steps to remodeling, 90. Collectively, when all this is added up, it creates a lot of exposure to your website for what people are typing in for keywords, and the exposure generates traffic, clients, and sales. So content is critical to what you're looking for and how you want to rank. Now, like I said, a lot of companies will build websites and leave the content and the SEO out. And I like to say it's like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody can see it. Well, I built a website, but I don't have any traffic. I don't understand what's going on. It's important to bring these three things together. I want to give you a great example. He has 41 backlinks 26 domains. Another company that is right underneath him is Sorel Cabinet Company. Just as an example, here he is. Here's his information. He has 367 backlinks to his 41, 26 domains to his 29, but this man has 49 keywords and 28 traffic. Even though he has stronger backlinks, it's all in the content and what he has within built into the website. 167 keywords generating more traffic. That's what's moving him up to the second spot versus the sixth spot. Those are just some basic examples of how that works and how people get on the first page of Google, how these businesses become successful with a better understanding of these three things: content, backlink, citations, your Google business profile, the area that you want to cover, the citations. Once this clicks, once Google sees you being endorsed by others, I mean, this all comes in, and this is how you start moving up the rank and landing on the first page. Most people don't scroll past the first page. So you can really start to see the value that a well-built website can bring for you. And hopefully you can appreciate some of that info, because it's just going to generate more traffic and leads, and it creates a lot of business. With that being said, I appreciate you taking the time to look at this. If there was anything you need me to look at for you, I'd be happy to do that. If you just wanted to talk, that's fine too. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day.